Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your home and work addresses and locations to the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the More button down below and then tap on Settings. Click on your locations. Tap on Home Address and then you should add your home address. You can either search for the name or address by typing it into the search bar, or you can search it from this map. Then if you have found it, click on the Save button to add your location. You can add your work address here and you can indicate your location here. So if you are done with all these steps, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.